Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 105 Sauchope Links Holiday Park. This is a fantastic, really spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom seaside lodge, benefiting from your own patio to the front as well, which makes you take full advantage of these completely panoramic Firth of Forth sea views. We've got a stunning day today as well, so it's really going to showcase and give you an insight of what you can have every single day right on your doorstep, and it is a stunning day to really showcase it as well. Now this property is move-in condition, coming fully furnished, so it's ready for the summer months. So if you want to be able to take full advantage of this property and the lifestyle that it offers, you need to act fast. Let me take you on the tour, show you everything that you're getting. I'll give you an insight into the facilities on Sauchope, and then of course I am going to show you these stunning views because it is absolutely breathtaking today. Let's head inside. So this is your lodge here, 105. Straight away you can see you have your patio doors coming down the steps into your paved patio area. You've already got your furniture here ready to just soak up the sun, and as I say, it's a gorgeous day here today to really showcase it. Obviously in the summer months you can get colour and plants and shrubs here. So this is the first part of the lodge. Now I'm going to give you just an insight into the incredible view that you're getting, so let me pan round. How incredible is that view? Could sit here all day. As I say, we've got a gorgeous day as well, so the sun is beating down on us, but that's how close we are, right on the rocky shore, Firth of Forth, and you'll be able to see right across the water as well. That is stunning. And of course we are right on the Fife coastal path as well, so brilliant location for walks and taking in all the views. So this is the front of your property. Now you can see you have your driveway. So currently I've got my car, but you would get another car behind, so easily a 2-car driveway. And then this is the side entrance into your property. What's great is you do actually have plenty of storage as well. So obviously all of your holiday bits, you would get plenty of space. You've got storage in the cupboard just there. Further storage and houses the boiler in that cupboard. And then we come into your hallway that the bedrooms and bathrooms come off. So as I say, moving condition, ready to go. And the sun is beating into the rooms, but this is the first one. So a spacious double. And again, what's great is you have a walk-in wardrobe there actually, which is a brilliant addition. So plenty of storage space. It's so peaceful here. It is just idyllic for holidaying and coming and escaping. And then you have a shower en suite. So you have your enclosed thermostatic shower, your wash hand vanity basin unit and WC. And obviously you can see you have your fitted dressing table as well. So bedroom 1 of 2. We then come through into your second double bedroom. So you can see they are generous sized. And you have a fitted wardrobe in the corner just there for further storage. Let me pan around, and what's great is there is a second bathroom and it's a Jack and Jill, so you can get access into the bathroom through this door. So a really great size. You're actually spoilt with the space that you're getting with this lodge. But you've got family bath with a further shower overhead, vanity unit and WC. And then you can access through here as well. So this would kind of be your main bathroom. And if you wish, obviously you could lock that door off. So that is your 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And then we come through into the heart of the property. But look at that. Isn't that just incredible? And again, so much space with this property. So you have your seating area for all of your living room furniture. I mean, would you actually be watching much telly here, or would you actually just be taking in the views? But as I say, comes fully furnished, so ready to enjoy in the summer months. You obviously got your feature fireplace as well, Then you pan round and you have your dining room area. And that's a big table, but you still have plenty of space for further furniture if you wish. So this is a great area for socialising, entertaining, family, friends, guests coming to visit. This is just stunning. This gives you an insight just to the sheer size of the lodge. And again, you can see lovely and bright, giving it that really light and airy feel, especially because we have the addition of not one Velux window, but a secondary one over our kitchen area. And then speaking of kitchen area, you can see that just there. So spacious kitchen with ample cabinet and worktop space. You've got a breakfast area just here. Obviously, you can see you've got space for a large fridge freezer. You then have a dishwasher as well. That is housing your washing machine, large, obviously, oven and hob, and then further cabinet and worktop space. And then just to give you an idea, when you are socialising and entertaining, obviously you can look on to people sitting in the dining area or even in the sitting room. But isn't this just fantastic to come and escape to? And even standing here, you can see right through to that stunning view. And I think we should head outside again, just to take in that view one last time and really give you an insight into what you're getting on the site as well. Obviously, patio doors, open them right up, and then you can just be coming in and out and just really open it up. But hopefully by now you're picturing yourself in this location, family and friends, unwinding, escaping, and just soaking up these gorgeous views. So look at that. Absolutely breathtaking. Would never get bored of this. I bet if you're watching this right now, you really wish that you were sitting here, especially because that sun is coming down on us. So you have, as I say, your patio area just there, so perfect for barbecuing. And then you can just cut down there, Fife coastal path, rocky shore, and then you can continue your walk along and round onto the Fife coastal path, or back in that direction, heading you into Crail to the harbour. But wow. So you're not only buying the property, you're buying this outlook, this lifestyle and this location. So let's do a recap. That was the personal property tour for 105 Sauchope Links Holiday Park. As you have just seen for yourself, an absolutely fantastic, really spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom seaside lodge. You get to take full benefit of the social, open plan, kitchen, living, dining space with your patio doors leading you out to this patio area that offers completely panoramic, unobstructed Firth of Forth sea views. You're obviously getting your 2 bedrooms, the walk-in wardrobe, 2 bathrooms and ample storage as well, so it really is perfect for the family. Plus you do have your 2-car driveway at the side, but this is just ideal for sitting out, and you will never ever get bored of waking up to these views. Such a peaceful setting as well, perfect if you have young children or pets, because it is a safe, secure, idyllic site. Plenty on site as well at Sauchope. You have your outdoor swimming pool open in the July to August months, subject to weather of course. Indoor recreation room for your kind of pool table, table football. There is also a play area for children, as well as a small convenience store if you do need some little bits. Likewise, you can head into Crail where there is the Co-op supermarket or Dan's Goods. You also have the Crail Harbour Gallery or the Beehive Cafe. There is also Bathroom Links Hotel if you want to go out for an evening meal. So there's plenty within Crail. Also, you can head along to the Crail Golfing Society. So there's plenty within Crail, but you are also just a short drive into St Andrews where there's further bars, bistros and restaurants and shops. Plus, of course, it is the home of golf. So plenty on your doorstep, including the Fife Coastal Path just behind me just there. You've got the rocky shore literally a stone's throw away. What more could you ask for? Property's moving condition as well, as you can see. Plus it comes fully furnished, so it's ready for you to just take full advantage in the summer months. Just come, unpack and start taking full advantage of this idyllic, really peaceful setting and everything that it has to offer. What's great about this property as well is if you are looking for a second home within Fife, you will not pay additional tax on this type of property, so it is an absolute bonus. What more could you ask for than all of this? If you want to get further details, you can either click the link, message me directly. Likewise, you can call the team on 01334 654 221. Sophie at Fife Properties, take care.